Welcome at Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about murder involving some Jamaicans, but it never happened in Jamaica. I've covered similar stories like this before. This time it's a firefighter, a fireman, who was killed in Michigan. I'm going to tell you why stories like these, when you see them, you have to just wonder to yourself, when will Ironman people shake off the stereotype? Fireman, you know. So you think to yourself, hold on, you never say, man a work and foreign, or fireman, or Jamaican fireman. Well, him take leave in a Ironman and, go to some place, go do some work, make some extra income. Him even extend him leave, and in the process of extending the leave, him end up dead. Never talk about it. He was killed by another Jamaican, by the way. Once again, remember, we have the Boomhead and Mafia video coming up. Because the two of them are shape up Manchester right now to where don't be surprised if you see something what happened in Clarendon happen in Manchester. Same name them, especially Boomhead. Same name them. But it's very similar to the Clarendon situation in terms of how long the man them involved in the acidity. How them have fund the madness. How them have fund the madness and all that. Look out for it. Next video me I warn about. Remember lawyer video. Remember me did tell you say, I get a phone call to go up at the bar from somebody that must come pick up something up at the bar. So therefore I was called to the bar. So right now, we qualified to speak just like your favorite lawyers them, and after observing what happened in Clarendon and seeing as though I was also called to the bar, I'm going to drop a video upon the where only my fellow learned experts at the rum bar can give you. When you look at regular peasants can't come up with them things, and I give you some high level strategy right now how we can seriously reduce murders and enough shootings in Ironman using what happened in Clarendon. And as I said, the knowledge gained from being called to the rum bar. Look out for that video. So, fireman. Remember the fire brigade left Ironman, go up on vacation. He was in a place called Gaylord, Michigan. So you know, say, that's Ice Sprat's favorite place in America. Such man and him crew visit regular. Both him and the youth were killing him are Jamaican. Look like it was personal and it spill over. As usual. But them down to some place I work for one company. We make custom clothes and certain design and them things. So they make extra money. Remember he's a fireman in Jamaica. But he take leave now and I make more money at foreign. So remember them tell you say once money start making job and opportunity, then say violence and anything that go done. I'm telling you it's a unicorn meat that. Complete unicorn meat. Because him and the man we kill him have issue with each other. The man work the same place, have the same link, meaning work link, plus as I said they come from the same country. Them have whole heap of things in common. The fire brigade come out and say that Myrie was married and had 2 sons. One at 10 and one at 2. His wife even live in her uncle someplace. Now she have to go travel to Michigan and identify body. All of this started out like something that you think could end well. Instead the man them have them source of income at Ironman, get a link go foreign, might get even more income now. But telling all the time, it's our culture and mindset. It follow you everywhere you go. You can make one. An acidic man does not stop being acidic because he make $10 million. A man who want to do something, don't stop want doing them something because he have more money. A matter of fact, he's more likely to do it now because he have the means. 2 people are pre each other and want to do each other things. Don't suddenly go, alright, I make money now, so my heart just change. No. As usual, whenever them things that happen, both sides say are the next fault. Right, so once the family I say a quote unquote bad mind cause, which is from my experience, majority of the time when you hear a bad mind cause it is usually some kind of smoke screen. Jamaicans don't have nothing to say. You know people throw around the word bad mind. Next to the family I say, a legal liar cause it. Because man have up man for a long time because of woman and all kind of things. That's neither here nor there. In these situations, people always want to know me, so this big cause man, this big cause him. Or we can look on the bigger picture, yes. Because as I say, everybody will tell you why this and why that. But why not go change the end result, which is that one man dead and the next man might have go to prison right now. Two people who had great opportunities to better themselves and better their family. Pitting end up fatherless over LIQ nonsense. It's just spooky because people keep telling me that money and jobs and opportunity are going to stop man from kill each other. So far there's not much details. We don't know who attack who first, but regardless, as me say, focus on the end result, focus on the outcome, the bigger picture. Too much Jamaicans, I get good link, I get good boss, and I mash it up over foolishness. Man all are dead pan farm work program. They acidity deep in my man them bone. Fireman, squaddy, 87, corporate guy, go out the same way, you know. You look back on the story, them and ask yourself, oh man, show them life over them foolishness. But understand this, any culture where people make life carelessly will also take life carelessly. Now listen to me. Any culture, any community you go, where people make life carelessly, then will take life carelessly. If you don't want to scholar guide them, understand the culture, tell them to tune in. Anywhere you go in the world and see, me telling already say one of the big part of Iron Man is that in Iron Man, me telling already say enough things at face value look like nothing, but it lead to other things. Jamaicans make life for nothing, therefore they will take life for nothing. Jamaicans breed for sport and fun and for prove a point. A man not even like a woman. And they will still, quote unquote, breed it. As Roger Wilder say, it. Breed it. A woman we don't see one quality in a man where she really like, you know. She will tell you to your face that she think him are the worst man alive. I have 3 youth for him. Enough time they hate the man and hate the pitney. Enough time they hate the mother and hate the pitney. Jamaicans make life for fun and take life for fun. The same culture is repeated right across the diaspora, right across the Caribbean, in Uncle Sam place. Anywhere you go and see, people make life fun, meaning there is not much thought put behind into it. No only for thinking, alright, I'm gonna do this and make sure this do before this do, and then I'm gonna try to get this and then I'm gonna have this. And that's how it work. In the Iron Man culture, yo, that be there on the dog, or lip them look nice, dog. John want me to breed it. Just like that a child is born. And how we get round it is by saying, well, you know, every pitney a blessing. So when you go to a society that is stable, peaceful and prosperous, I bet you find, say, you don't find whole heap and whole heap and whole heap of unwanted, hugless, loveless children. Why think them hugless and loveless and unwanted? Because they were created out of sport. But a society that make life for fun will take life for fun. That's why in Jamaica and St. Vincent and Trinidad and St. Lucia and the places that you see on the list before, man quick for kill you there, so cause life no mean nothing. No matter how things look good around, no matter how much things are going good for your man, he may dash it over foolishness. You give him the best link he can get. You find the best. Sometimes you find out one job where him not even qualified for and him get it. You talk and beg man to give him a job. And 2 months in a job, the boss a call you and say, yo, no send no more man over here, sir, brother. Cause the brother where you send last time, I mash him off and mash up my thing right now, cause he ain't too hot, IQ too low. Minute him want kill somebody. How my move so? The Irish Saxons are very happy to be a walking stereotype. You know the stereotype. Matter of fact, nothing makes them happier than telling you how bad them be. And which the place they come from, how much wicked man around there, how much people in power with, and how They can make man do man things, and if a boy ever diss them, Jamaicans love the bad man image. Love the bad man culture. But if you ever wonder why Jamaicans and other cultures similar to Jamaica can so easily take life for fun, it's because we make life for fun too. Most of the mass murderers in history use some kind of philosophical argument or ideology to justify them barbarism. Them tell us say, because of this cause and them a go through this and them must. Iron Man, there is no cause. Man can't even tell you why. The cause in Iron Man is a boy diss me. Remember, so Jamaicans are not fighting no quote unquote religious war. Jamaicans not fighting no jihad, you know. Jamaicans not fighting no military battle for no piece of land from the invading military force. Ask them what them are dead for. Eagle eye, boy la pre me. Me send call him and him say go suck mama. Me tell him to move from the corner and him tell me say me can't tell him that. When you break down enough of them conflict here, where they start from, it's so childish, they have to call them overgrown children. Warriors with no cause. Because them not war against nothing with them for war against. Them no revolt against, them no rebel against nothing them for rebel against. What them a war for? Turf, who run this, what the baddest man, who biggest dan, who take a who for girl. So now people start whispering their ears again. So me tell you about these Jamaicans and they should have listened to me. I told you not to hire those violent Negroes, you know. Enough Jamaicans would love these opportunities. And they now get it. And the people them who get it, and see the outcome. So now, Pitney end up fatherless. Man in the hospital a battle for life because the youth will kill him. Get stabbed up twice. Two of them stab up each other, you know. So war them a war. Just that Myrie dead. And the next youth, that battle for life. Look like he might survive. So more than likely, man claim self-defense and who knows where it goes. Me say, we don't know much details as to who attack who first or whatever. But the attack should not be in the first place. A group of Chinamen in Jamaica collude and do the best them can to make sure so them community, them group, reach to the top. Other cultures, the Chinese, the Indians, all these people, anywhere they go in the world, and them see people look like them start team up. Jamaicans go on these work programs. Jamaicans go all over the world, America and Canada, and buck up in each other and start war. Let me say that one more time. Indentured servants from Guzungung province who can barely utter 5 words of English, drop in one country, using the same infrastructure, same tax office, same everything, and collude and beat the system. But Jamaicans go other people country and war. We don't see no other country saying, Jano, them Jamaicans just come in a place and take over the thing there because them a control this part of the industry and them a control. We don't see it and whole for Jamaicans that find it, whole for money. But them too busy spending their money on gun and shot. We send go back to Jamaica go mash it up. That's the difference in culture and mindset, guy. The idea that Jamaicans are so desperately poor is rubbish. Enough Jamaicans that are foreign and make a whole heap of money. Some legal and some illegal. But what them do with that money? Death and destruction. You can't show me a single country anywhere in the world where people complain say, John, oh, them Jamaicans just drop in their place and where them start collude and find a link and now look, Jamaicans rise above with the John O. You can't show me one. But every Jamaican, every St. Vincent, every Lucian can ball and tell you, oh, man from India, a man from China, a man from Pakistan, a man from Lebanon, drop in their country. A man start outperforming out shining upon him own ground. Get up every day a ball. Full-time victims. Getting them backside kicking in their own country. Jamaicans got other people country. Instead of colluding, working together and say, right, you are Jamaican, me a Jamaican. You come from Clarendon, me come from Spain, you come from Manchester, you come from Mobile. Alright, we are going to do this and then we are going to make sure so we invest in this and make sure so Jamaicans are dominate the thing. No, they can't do that. Too acidic. Ego can't be managed. Very impulsive. All of them start work together within no time a man for get broke. Somebody have to cheat, somebody does something. Very deceptive. Next thing you know, war start going. War start a foreign. War reach Iron Man now. Somebody father dead. Alright, now somebody mother dead. Alright, now the whole community burn down. These are some of the wickedest people me ever see. Look on who them rate the most and glorify the most. People are vile. Then after 6 days of being wicked and vile, then beat them pit and say, put on your clothes, we go church, go praise God. Because we are God-fearing people. You think man from China and India and Pakistan no sell diet coke too? Them sell it to boy that never know. Because for them community not turn upside down. And you not see no blood spill in them community. You swear some man thing legit you don't even know what go on. But Jamaicans, you have to know. The culture and the mindset is rotten. From uptown to downtown. Corporate Jamaica, you look a goody two-shoe co-worker side of you. One like our mouth can't open a kerosene. Your co-worker around your back will spend 15,000 years on Taylor Hall. You know every word in the dictionary. Just as acidic. It's a shame. Lives lost. Families in turmoil. Everybody a try argue about who right and who wrong. Like that I go bring back nobody. Like say who right and who wrong and who they start this. Change the bigger point. People are destructive. Done gone bad already. Life lost. Foolishness. Madness. But as them say, the chicken will come home to roost. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Culture Squad. Stay circling. Blessed.